everyone, my name is Izzy Baker, and I'm here today with the Research, Creative, and Scholarly Activities Tenet Liaison. Welcome.
Hi, Izzy. Thank you for having me on today.
If you could briefly, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Michael Springer, and I'm a professor of history in the Department of History and Geography, and I'm also the faculty director of the Office of High Impact Practices on campus, which is an office that oversees undergraduate research programs, graduate research programs, and prestigious scholarships on campus.
So, what is included in the Research, Creative, and Scholarly Activities Tenet?
So the research creative scholarly activities tenant really is an inclusive tenant that covers a lot of different activities that we do at the university. So that might include research that a student works on with a faculty mentor, either inside the classroom or outside of the classroom. It can cover things like artistic performances, design as well. Um, and we have a number of different opportunities related to that as well, right? Students can publish with the Journal of Undergraduate Research on campus or lots of different journals not on our campus. It can also encompass attending conferences like Oklahoma Research Day, which is a statewide conference, or we have conferences on our campus as well, or showcases for research, creative, and scholarly activity that students can get stellar credit on, like the Liberal Arts Symposium that's held each year, or the Tri-Center Symposium in the College of Math and Science. So lots of different opportunities for students to participate in the research, creative, and scholarly activity tenet.
Can you give a couple of examples of stellar tagged activities within the Research, Creative, and Scholarly Activities Tenet?
Sure, there's lots of examples that I can draw on. It's hard to pick just a couple, but we do have students who will work on funded grants either through the Office of Research and Sponsored Programs or the Office of High Impact Practices on campus that will work on individual research, creative, or scholarly projects in which they receive some funding as well to support those work. Those are things outside of the classroom. There are a number of faculty across campus who offer RCSA credit for the tenant within the classroom. So maybe individual projects. I myself use a gaming project where students develop history educational games in the classroom and receive stellar credit for that. Also conference experiences. So the National Conference on Undergraduate Research or the World Congress on Undergraduate Research, we've had students who have gone on to present their RCSA projects, either things they had done within the classroom or had worked with faculty mentors outside of the classroom, and they received stellar credit, RCSA credit for those experiences too. So a whole range of opportunities exist here at the institution.
Why is it important for students to have research, creative, and scholarly activities experiences?
Start by saying we have a very strong culture of RCSA activity at this institution. And the reason is because of the benefits that students receive from participating in these types of projects, right? This helps students engage more deeply with their majors. It helps them engage more with faculty across campus, develop a better sense of themselves, both in their field of study, but also their professional self. And RCSA projects often allow students to build their professional networks, both with other students and faculty within the university or at other universities in the state, but also with people in the community, because many of these projects will provide an avenue for students to engage in professional activities in their chosen field of study. And so I think there's a lot of benefits. And one only needs to reach out to faculty and talk about how they can get involved in RCSA activities on campus.